I just walked out of our shipping office and I'm walking down the dock. You're actually looking at tires right in front of you. Those were outbound shipments that have already been pulled and are ready to go out. I'm walking over a little bit. You're looking at an area directly in front of us. That is going to be our RE pre-staging area, where we'll put the large orders in there and they'll be dropped in there and they'll be scanned, and then they'll be moved over to this side, this empty spot actually right here, or actually maybe even to this area. That's where, after they've been scanned, they'll end up coming over here and being staged in our outbound staging area. On the warehouse map, we were showing a inbound outbound flux area, is what we're calling flux. And that's really where we put all of our empty racks, and it gives us the ability. On the outbound side, if we get really busy, we start clearing this out and we start staging our outbound orders down here a little bit more. And also on the inbound side, which I'm walking to down here, same thing. If we get really busy on an inbound side where we get 19 containers in a day, which we've done, we'll start filling up this whole area, and we've got room to expand down into there. We're coming down here. We actually got a load right here, and it'll be unloaded here shortly, and it'll be actually put into one of these areas over here, not sure which one. We're actually unloading a container right now. Not sure which one this is here. Yeah, it's just a regular RE order, and we actually have a Ford sitting right there. And now on the map, I'm showing where these Fords are coming off, and they'll actually be moved over here into our staging area. So they'll pull out these empty racks. In fact, there's a Ford sitting there right now. That one's already, it's already been unloaded. It's been staged in our inbound staging area, and it'll actually move down to the other end of the building where our inspection area. And I'm actually walking down into that direction right now. We're actually taking apart some pallets right now. These are being moved outside, and we're taking these pallets apart. Yeah, peek out there what they're doing out there. You're actually looking at the OE staging area, and we've actually got it marked on the floor. And this is where we're staging our Ford for the outbound. These have already been inspected. They've already had the label attached. I'm moving into our inspection area. On the OE, this is where the tires get inspected and they actually get labeled. And they're actually working on that right now. Doing inspecting and labeling. So kind of gives you an idea of what our process is. So the tires get moved down from the inbound area down here to the inspection area. Tires are being inspected right there, the DOTs. You get moved from one pallet to another. We've got a crew of 3 that actually wipes off the tire. Person that moves the tire, and then somebody puts a label on there, so we'll add one more step into that, and that'll be the scanning of the tires. And then as soon as they're done with theirs, they just get slid over to this side over here. Like I said, this is what we're calling right now our OE staging area. And then once they're set over here, we're actually staging them in a total load stage. So in other words, I think we have 332.40 or something like that for one side of the Ford. That'll be staged in what's called, this one right here you're looking at is OE1. And then when that's ready to go out, we'll actually move it out those 2 doors right there. So just pick it up and out the door it'll go. So that's kind of a glimpse on what we're doing here. Breaking down racks. We've already cleared out some areas. We got the staging area for the RE staging area down there that we're working on today to start clearing that out. So that kind of gives you an idea of where we're at and what we're doing. That's it.